Big one. Oh. You want me to do that? Let's see.
Oh, no dirt.
No?
No dirt.
Oh, no dirt?
Yeah.
You want me to do dirt?
No,
Here you go.
I need mud.
I need to get this one, the grass.
I need some mud. Mud.
I need to get the grass, anak. See now. Oh, see.
Oh, no dirt.
No dirt. Okay, let me take out the dirt.
Teach you, Mom.
Thanks to God. Oh, what is that? Is that a raven?
Okay, I can move.
No.
You said you told me I can move?
No, no moose.
Oh.
Say hi, Shalane. BC.
Yeah, Tabby.
Jelana is busy playing mud.
Hey.
Come here. Ang kulit. No, not yet.
But Iman, no, a hay in here.
What?
And my hay. Oh. There.
Oh, there's a hair. Okay. Kulit eh.
Mom,
Oh, let me... You itchy again?
No.
Itchy your nose? Oh, not too high. Now your legs is gonna get wet. Oh, no. We're in trouble with daddy.
Oh no, I want to be taller.
Okay.
Move it. Done, I did. Wait. Move it.
More dirt.
Done, I did. More water. It. More water.
Naranasan nyo bang ganyan nung bata kayo maglarong mag-isa? Happy na kayo maglaro kahit kayo lang mag-isa?
More it.
Okay na sa inyo?
More it.
O kailangan may kalaro?
More it.
Yung kambal kailangan may kalaro eh. Lagi silang magkasama.
More it.
Si Jelana nasanay mag-isa.
Tilda.
Right, Jelana? Amara, hello. More dirt. Patty cake, bakers man. Oo, Mikay. Is that your patty cake? Busy. Oh, wow. Trabaho pa more. Trabaho pa si Jelana. Akala niya, trabaho pa. Nagtatrabaho si Jelana. Are you working, Jelana? Yeah. Whoa. What happened? What happened? What happened?
Ricky.
What?